So the clip you just saw was an awesome time lapse of a sunrise. That was a couple of days ago. It was so pink. When I woke up, it's just like red, this awesome pink coming through the windows. It looked like I had pink curtains. Really nice. Yeah, guys, this is I haven't done a vlog like this in a while. You know, it's been all like Q&As and stuff and unboxing videos. But yeah, today is very weird weather. It's rainy. You can see in my window there, but it's really sunny as well. I wanted to give the Segway a go in the park, but I think it's too wet on the ground. Absolutely soaked. Looks like I got shot by 1,000 BBs. Wow. My mate, you see with the red umbrella, is helping an old lady. What a nice gentleman. Let's go, mate. Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, mate, but how are we going to get down?
This is such a bad idea. This is such a good idea. Yeah, there's steps up here. I'm out of breath. Because after this, there's another huge bit, mate, where there's no steps.
Oh, is this where you tagged?
Yeah. There it is, mate, there. Frazzy Vlog. That's my old name. Right guys, this is the part of the video where I should introduce what I'm doing. We're back at this Beacon Hill place where I came probably about 5 months ago. And I've just passed this sign down there where I tagged it. And it's still there, which is pretty cool. But look at this. Got this huge uphill walk up to the top of the hill. Just come from all the way down there, and I'm already starting to feel it. But we're going to pace ourselves. Let's do this. It is very steep.
It's there. Made the whole thing. Got the whole thing.
Oh.
Mate, if you get to the top, you get that.
Look at it, so nice. This is what you get with a little bit of sun, a little bit of rain. Oh yeah. Wow. Mate, there's still so much to go. This is tiring, mate. Look at that. Sun peaking. We'll get to that little stone thing. And that will mean we made it. It's right there. My mate is looks like he's planking. Yeah. Oh! Go on, son! Go on! Look at that sun there. Don't know if this is getting the wind on. Let's do some time lapses. This epic sun we got here. 4K footage on my iPhone 6s. Time lapse on the big boy. That's rain! Stopped. Let's go back.
Fuck's sake. Mate.
Mate, it's alright. Let's go on the grass bits.
To me. Oh!
No, actually don't go on the grass bits. This is steep, boy, I tell you.
I'm gonna fall over. Oh,
It started.
Mate, coming down is a lot harder. Mate, this is bold.
But it's not out of breath.
It hurts your legs up top here, doesn't it?
Yeah. Mate, you look like Mother Teresa. This is good.
I'm gonna get a run.
But mate, that muddy bit down there, one of us is going to do one.
Oh. You've been watching The Apprentice?
No?
Alright. They call me Balancy Boy. Mate.
What's that?
Rabbit droppings.
Jesus Christ. Mate, it just takes what? Fucking hell. It just takes one, mate. Oh my god. It just takes one. Mate, they're not deliberate, I swear. It's that headpiece, mate. It's making you more aerodynamic. It's good that we went up when we did, mate. If we went up now, it'd be absolutely drenched. Good girl she is. Whoa. Mission complete. I'm not sure if I want a flat white or hot chocolate. No, maybe a flat white.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love going out and having a good time?
Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, mate. 11! It's got to be up. You got to stop it.
It's a Christmas fair. Anyone want to go? There it is.
Hey guys, I'm trying to do that thing where they spin round, like Dr. No, or whatever villain. Hello. It doesn't really work because this chair is massive. Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of my adventure in Hampshire, going up to Beacon Hill, capturing some awesome time lapses that you saw in the video. Yeah, I didn't get too many photographs, images, because I was trying to focus on videoing everything and stuff like that. But anyway, it was a good little walk, good little adventure, exercise and that with my friend Henry. Yeah guys, so thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe if you want to see more vlogs and other videos, which will come to the channel soon. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Yeah, at Fraz iPhone. There you go. Should get some followers from that. 2, 1, maybe? None?
Mate, we started to like be positive, mate. This is the perfect amount of rain.
Is it?
There's a snake.
Oh. Mate, why'd you put the camera down? Police. Oh my god.
You reckon you could ride a bike down this hill? I couldn't. It'd be fucking scary.
Well, mate,
It seems so simple, mate.
you'd stack it, surely.
Mate, you'd go fucking fast.